Hey guys, what's up? Troll West here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is one of the most requested videos that I have on my channel. I have received so many of these requests over the lifetime of my channel that I finally thought I'd sit down and share with you guys one of my all-time favorite things that I use to fix hyperpigmentation, covering nicks and things that I get from shaving, all of these dark marks and things on my beard area. Today I'm going to be taking you guys into a look of how I fix the hyperpigmentation. So if that's something that you've been wanting to see, this is going to be the video for you. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So earlier I received the GROOMING Invisicover Air Cushion BB Cream for men. This has been my go-to product and it has been something that I've been looking for in terms of hyperpigmentation, something that can really cover things up and smooth things out. I used to do a whole makeup routine. I'll link that here if you guys want to watch like my full routine. But if you're wanting to use something in like one swoop, this is going to be the product for you. This is the Stealthy Air Cushion BB Cream for Men from GROOMING. I'm going to link it down below, but today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how you can use this product to fix your uneven skin tone. A lot of women have so many different products that they can use to put on a full face of makeup, but for guys, this is going to be something that you won't even know that you have it on and other people won't even notice it as well. So one of the things that I love the most about this product is that it is stealthy. People won't even notice that you're wearing anything, and I think a lot of times makeup and stuff like that can get really scary for a lot of guys, so this is going to be a really good way to make sure that like you can cover things up, but people aren't gonna notice that you're wearing anything, so that's gonna be a great thing as well. Number two is, I love that it has a mirror inside as well, so you can really just do it really instantly without having to like have anything else. You can just use the mirror, and then it also comes with this little applicator as well to dab into the product. So everything you need to fix the hyperpigmentation is gonna be in this one product. All right, so I have the shade Cacao, and what I love about this, it is so lightweight in coverage that you can really build it up. So I really do think that you can get a lot of skin tones out of this one device. So they have 3 skin tones on their website. I am in the darkest one, and what I typically do is use this and really just smooth everything out along my beard areas. So I'm gonna do one side of my face with the Invisicover and then one side without. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial part of the video. I think I can show you guys better than I can tell you. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial.
All that I can do is say
All right, you guys, so you guys can see on this side of my face, the after using the Invisicover Air Cushion BB Cream. And then you guys can see the before. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of blueness in my beard. All of this stuff is really just unsmooth and uneven in terms of skin tone. I try to take care of my skin the best I can, but this side is just giving. It's giving. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera so you guys can see the full result, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, this is the finished product using the Invisicover Air Cushion BB Cream. What do you guys think? For only using one product, I think this looks so good, so even. I feel like it blurred everything out, and it doesn't look like I have anything on really. I like that my skin looks healthy and glowy and nice and smoothed out. I had a lot of acne and ingrown hair kind of nicks and abrasions on my beard area. I feel like everything is kind of smoothed out as one skin tone. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial today. If you guys want to shop it, I'll leave a link down below with the little discount code for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.